Have you ever wondered why botanical gardens are more than just beautiful spaces? They are, in fact, a testament to the incredible diversity and resilience of nature. Botanical gardens play an indispensable role in our world, from conservation and research to education and showcasing the sheer splendor of plant life. Let's start with conservation. Botanical gardens serve as sanctuaries for a myriad of plant species, including some of the rarest and most endangered ones. They are like gene banks, housing genetic material of countless plants, safeguarding their existence for future generations. They are the last line of defense against extinction, a beacon of hope for species that have nowhere else to go. But their role doesn't stop at conservation. Botanical gardens are also hotspots for scientific research. Within their boundaries, scientists unravel the mysteries of plant biology, discover new species, and study the impacts of climate change. It's here that breakthroughs are made, knowledge is expanded, and our understanding of the world is deepened. Beyond the realms of science, botanical gardens are also centers for education. They open our eyes to the wonders of nature, teaching us about the intricate connections between plants and the ecosystems they inhabit. They inspire curiosity, encourage respect for nature, and foster a love for the environment in people of all ages. Furthermore, botanical gardens are living museums, showcasing the beauty and diversity of plant life. From the smallest ferns to the tallest trees, they house an astonishing variety of flora. Each garden is a window into a different corner of the world, allowing us to travel to distant lands without ever leaving the city. In essence, botanical gardens are a celebration of life in all its forms. They remind us of our responsibility to protect the planet and its diverse inhabitants. They are a testament to the resilience of nature and a symbol of hope for a greener future. Botanical gardens are not just about beauty, but also about preserving the very essence of life on Earth. So next time you step into a botanical garden, remember you're stepping into a sanctuary of life, a hub of knowledge, and a testament to the beauty of our world. Every plant in a botanical garden has a story to tell. Consider the woolly pine, an ancient species once thought to be extinct. Fossils of this tree that date back over 200 million years were discovered, but no living specimen was found until the late 20th century. The discovery of a small grove in the wilds of Australia was a revelation. Today, the woolly pine thrives in botanical gardens worldwide, a living testament to the resilience of nature and the importance of conservation efforts. Or take the Franklin tree, named after Benjamin Franklin, which has been extinct in the wild for over 2 centuries. The only reason we can still admire its fiery autumn colors and fragrant white blossoms is because a few specimens were collected and cultivated in botanical gardens before the species disappeared from its natural habitat. These are but 2 examples of the countless conservation stories nested within the lush expanse of a botanical garden. Each plant, from the common to the rare, has its own tale of survival and adaptation. Some have been rescued from the brink of extinction, while others serve as a living link to our planet's prehistoric past. Botanical gardens are not just a sanctuary for these plants, but also a laboratory for conservation scientists. They are the places where new techniques are developed to propagate and reintroduce endangered species into their natural habitats. The Coquia cucae, a Hawaiian tree thought to be extinct in the wild, was brought back from a single surviving branch in a botanical garden and now flourishes in the wild once more. Botanical gardens also serve as an educational platform, immersing visitors in the intricate web of life that sustains our planet. Through their conservation efforts, they inspire us to respect and protect the biodiversity that makes our world so wonderfully verdant. In conclusion, botanical gardens play a pivotal role in giving these endangered species a second chance at survival. They are the sentinels of our planet's biodiversity, ensuring that no plant species fades into oblivion without a fight. They are the living museums of our planet's botanical heritage, preserving the stories of these plant species for future generations to appreciate and learn from. Botanical gardens play a pivotal role in giving these endangered species a second chance at survival. Let us journey through some of the world's unique botanical gardens. Begin in Singapore with the Gardens by the Bay, a futuristic botanical garden where nature meets cutting-edge technology. Here you'll find 18 towering super trees, vertical gardens that mimic the ecological function of trees, complete with photovoltaic cells to harness solar energy. The cloud forest replicates the conditions of tropical highlands, complete with a 35-meter-tall mountain covered in lush vegetation and shrouded in mist. Next, let's traverse to the other side of the world to the Desert Botanical Garden in Phoenix, Arizona. This garden showcases the beauty of the desert, housing one of the world's finest collections of desert plants. It's a real celebration of cacti and other desert-adapted plants, demonstrating their resilience and adaptability in a challenging environment. Our journey continues in Japan at the Ryoanji Temple in Kyoto, home to the most famous Zen rock garden. This minimalist garden, devoid of plant life, challenges our traditional perception of a botanical garden. It's a tranquil space where rocks and white gravel symbolize an ocean dotted with islands, prompting contemplation and introspection. Let's now venture to the floating gardens of the Amazon rainforest. In this unique aquatic botanical garden, a vast array of plant species thrive on the surface of the Amazon River, creating floating islands of green. It's a remarkable spectacle of nature's adaptability, offering a glimpse into an ecosystem that completely defies our conventional understanding of a garden. Finally, we arrive at the Eden Project in the United Kingdom. Housed within two massive biomes are plants from diverse climates and environments. From the humid tropics to the Mediterranean, it's a journey through the world's ecosystems, all under one roof. These unique gardens are not just spaces of beauty, but also living laboratories of plant conservation. They challenge our perceptions, inspire us with their innovative designs, and most importantly, they serve as a testament to the incredible diversity and adaptability of the plant kingdom. These are not just gardens, they are the epitome of nature's resilience, the embodiment of human ingenuity, and a living testament to our enduring quest to understand and preserve our natural world. Botanical gardens are not just about plants, but also about culture and history. Diving deeper into the roots of botanical gardens, we find that they are living museums, preserving not just plant species, but also the cultural and historical narratives that shaped our world. These gardens often house plants that hold a significant place in the heart of indigenous communities. From medicinal herbs to sacred trees, these plants have been woven into the cultural fabric of these communities for centuries, playing pivotal roles in their rituals, folklore, and daily life. Take, for instance, the Maori of New Zealand, who hold the kauri tree in high reverence. Kauri trees are preserved in botanical gardens across the country, serving as a living memoir of the Maori culture. Similarly, in the Amazon rainforest, botanical gardens preserve the cinchona tree, the source of quinine, a medicine used by the indigenous communities to treat malaria. Stepping back in time, we find that many botanical gardens themselves bear historical significance. These gardens have evolved alongside human civilization, witnessing and surviving the ebbs and flows of history. The Orto Botanico di Padova in Italy, for instance, is the world's oldest academic botanical garden. Established in the 16th century, it has evolved over the centuries, adapting to the changing times while still maintaining its original layout. The Royal Botanic Gardens, Kew in England, has been a hub of botanical research and exploration since the 18th century. It has seen the rise and fall of empires, the Industrial Revolution, and the advent of modern science. Today, it stands as an emblem of our enduring curiosity and respect for the natural world. Botanical gardens in their quiet, leafy corners tell tales of cultures that span the globe and histories that stretch back centuries. They preserve the past, present, and potential future of our relationship with the natural world, offering a window into the diverse ways humans have interacted with plants throughout time. These botanical spaces are a testament to the rich cultural and historical tapestry of our world. In the face of climate change and habitat loss, botanical gardens have never been more important. As our world becomes increasingly urbanized, these verdant havens are not just a delightful respite, they are the guardians of our planet's diverse flora. Our planet is experiencing an unprecedented loss of biodiversity. This loss is not just a number, it's a cascade of extinction events that could potentially disrupt ecosystems and the services they provide. But amidst this crisis, botanical gardens worldwide are standing as bastions of hope. They are not just beautiful spaces for leisure and learning, but also serve as living repositories of plant life. They conserve rare species, propagate endangered plants, and carry out vital research to understand and protect our botanical heritage. Botanical gardens are also at the forefront of educating the public about the importance of plants and the roles they play in our lives. From purifying the air we breathe to providing food, medicine, and materials, plants are indispensable. Yet they are often overlooked in conservation dialogues. The challenge of plant conservation is monumental, yet it's a fight we cannot afford to lose. And in this battle, botanical gardens are leading the charge. They are stepping up their conservation efforts, adopting innovative strategies, and forging partnerships to save our precious plant life. But they cannot do it alone. They need our support. When we visit these gardens, we are not only immersing ourselves in nature's beauty, but also contributing to a cause that is larger than us. Our visits help fund research, conservation programs, and educational initiatives. We become part of a collective effort to safeguard our botanical heritage. So let's embrace this call to conservation. Let's visit our local botanical gardens, learn about their work, participate in their programs, and support them in any way we can. Because every plant saved is a victory for life on Earth. And remember, every visit to a botanical garden is a step towards a greener and more sustainable future.